The first human to hear the speed of sound didn't see a number. He felt a delay, a heartbeat of silence where certainty should have been. Picture France in the winter of 1635. Cold air clings to stone walls. A cannon stands ready, its dark mouth pointed across an open field. When it fires, the blast tears the air apart. But the sound arrives late, chasing the flash like a ghost that refuses to keep pace. That hesitation, that tiny fracture in reality, is where the mystery begins. For centuries, sound was treated as something almost mystical. Voices carried prayers, bells summoned souls, thunder was divine warning. Everyone heard sound, but no one had truly measured it. No one had dared to ask how fast it moved. Enter Marin Mersenne, a monk, philosopher, and restless mind, living at the edge of faith and science. He believed the universe could be understood, not just through belief, but through careful observation. And sound, to him, was not magic. It was motion. Mersenne stood at a distance from the cannon, eyes fixed, body tense. Flash first, then silence. Then the boom slammed into his chest. He counted. He measured distance. He repeated the test again and again, refining each attempt. The air itself became his laboratory. Here's the rehook. This wasn't just about sound. It was about time. For the first time, humans were learning that the world didn't happen all at once. Light arrived instantly. Sound lagged behind. Reality had layers, speeds, delays. The universe was not synchronized. It was staggered. As Mersenne calculated, something astonishing emerged. Sound had a speed, finite, measurable, repeatable, roughly 343 meters per second in air. Not a guess, not a myth, a number. And with that number came a quiet revolution. If sound had a speed, then air was not empty. It had structure, resistance, texture. Vibrations moved through it like ripples across water. Suddenly, music became physics. Speech became waves. Thunder became mechanics instead of wrath. But there was tension too. Many resisted the idea. If sound could be measured, what else could be stripped of mystery? What else would faith be forced to share with reason? The emotional climax comes not with applause but with silence. After the cannon fires, after the numbers are written down, after the calculations settle, there is a still moment where humanity realizes something profound. The world is not instantaneous. Everything we hear arrives late. Every voice, every laugh, every cry reaches us from the past, even if only by a fraction of a second. Sound is history, constantly chasing the present. And today, every microphone, every sonar pulse, every ultrasound image traces its lineage back to that cold French field, to a monk listening carefully for a delay. If this story resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment about the sound that stayed with you the longest.